Now to the bandsawing. In the first place, the block of wood must be perfectly square all round, otherwise you get problems. In second place, the bandsaw blade must be perfectly square to the table. And I always, particularly on a carving of this size, use a brand new blade, otherwise you get barreling, which can be inaccurate and dangerous. So I'm going to do the front view first, so that I can cut down this line here and take all this piece of wood off in one piece with the side drawing on it. Then I can put the side drawing back on to bandsaw the side view.